All right, so let's go ahead and create our video view. Before we create our video view, we're gonna create view model for that. So I'm gonna select add a new file, select Swift file template, and we're gonna call this video view model. Okay, and video view model is going to import AVKit because we need to get an access to AV player, which is defined under AVKit. We're going to create a final class, and this class is going to be called video view model. Okay, and we're going to have a private variable for title, a private property. We're going to have a player, AV player, and we're going to have a property, a computer property, overlay title. So the title that we want to display for overlay, and this is simply going to return the title. Okay, for the initialization or init, we're gonna expect a video name as a string, title as a string, and we're gonna first set the title to be the title that's been given, and we're gonna create our player with AV player, and we want to use the overloaded initializer that takes URL, and we're going to say bundle.main.url for resource with extension, and the resource is going to be the video name, and the extension is going to be mp4. Okay, we're gonna force unwrap this because we know that resource is going to be there. Okay, and that is it for our video view model. Okay, so then we're gonna add our view, and this is gonna be the SwiftUI view, and we're gonna call this video view. Okay, and this video view is basically going to be the one that's gonna create the video player. So AVKit, once again we're gonna import that. We're gonna create private let view model video view model. Okay, for the initializer we're gonna have video name passed in and title passed in. So we're gonna take our view model, and we're gonna basically create or initialize that with the supplied properties, video name and title. Alright, so that's gonna initialize our view model. For our body, we are simply going to create a video player. Okay, video player takes a player, so we're gonna say our view model has a player that we can give to video player, and this takes a trailing closure that can be used for to display watermark or overlay on the top, and we're gonna say we want to display view model dot overlay title. We're gonna have the padding horizontal for about 20 points. We're gonna add the foreground color to be primary and background to be color dot secondary dot opacity 0.6. Okay, and we're gonna also have a spacer right there. The spacer is gonna basically push this text to the top, and when onAppear is gonna be called, we are basically going to say view model dot player dot play. Okay, so that's how we're gonna play. Now for the missing piece, we are going to fix this error, and we're gonna just say something because it's just a preview, and with this Now we're gonna go back to our course view, and in our course view, if you recall, we actually had that placeholder right here. Right here, we're gonna call our video view with video name. So video name is gonna come from viewModel.selectedLesson.video, and the title is gonna be viewModel.selectedLesson.name. Okay, so that is going to give us basically tie those views together. And let's go ahead and launch the app. And that's, by the way, is the end of our video series. Like, we have built the entire app, so let's go ahead and make sure everything is working fine. So search is good, selecting on an item topic is good, is working. Let's search for this. As you can see, this is a bestseller, and this is not, but it's okay. Let's take a look at the bestseller one, and there we have all the video details. Tapping on the button should actually play the video, and you can fast forward, you can dismiss, you can launch other video, and like I mentioned, I'm using the same video for the sample here, but you can launch different videos according to your need. Okay. All right, so with that, we have reached, like I said, we have reached to the end of the course, and I hope you actually enjoyed the course. You learned how you can create a professional app ready to be published in the App Store. So this app just change the data model and tie up a few things in the data model, like wherever you're getting the data from, and then it's ready to be published. So in this course you learned how to create an app in SwiftUI using MVVM design pattern, and you also learned how to basically structure code, play videos, and create a navigational hierarchy, create search. So there are so many things that we covered in this course. So hopefully you enjoyed the course. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in another video series. Thank you.